your bedroom? Yes, this is my bedroom. Pussy, you look like a Komodo dragon. You look like a Komodo dragon, huh? You look so pretty and ugly. I am not ugly. It's you. It's you the ugliest. Where is your kapatid? Oh, bubbles? What are those things? That's supposed to be. Higaan yan. Higaan yan ng manok. Matulog ka lang dyan. Wow, is that your pagidaan? Look at the eggs. You want to use the egg? Ano ba yan? That's what you're hearing is an owl. No, it's an owl. Why are you becoming so ugly, duckling there? Pilato, I'm gonna baot your ubat na lang.